Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to crack an Wi-Fi network called WEP as it is a very can crack it very easily. So for cracking we need Kali Linux and operating system. So let's get started. First we need to open a terminal, and in my case I did Terminator. And now first here we have to type admon ng start WLAN O. As you can see, we have successfully started this admon ng. There are case 1 and case 2. In the first case, the data will increase very rapidly, and in the second case, the data will not increase at all. To crack this WEP, so I'm not talking about WPA to the WPA, so we are talking about WEP. To crack this, we need a thing called IVs. To capture more IVs, we need more data. So in most of the cases, the data will be producing so less or not at all. So I will show you. We have to type aerodump ng WLANO mon. Sorry. So as you can see here, all WPA, we are a network called WEP, and as you can see, its data, it is growing very slowly. It is increasing very slowly. To crack this network, we need more data. So as you can see, about like 1 minute, and it has only 17 packets it's sent. So here I will type Control C. So first thing is we have to capture data. For that we have to type aero dump ng and dash bssid. So we have to. So in my case, this is WEP. So I will copy this and paste it, and we have to specify the channel dash CHANNEL. So this runs on a channel number 1, and dash WRI write WEP. So in this case it will write WEP, a file known as cap. So after this we have WLANO mode. So it's a simple command, aerodump ng. We have to specify the BSSID and channel, which channel we have to tell. It should be and the folder name is WEP and WLANO mode. So let's type enter. So the data is 2685. Actually that data is not enough to crack the network. So for that we have to produce more data. To crack the network we have to produce more data. So I will split it. So here we have to produce fake authentication. We are saying the network, don't ignore us, please take our request. So as you can see, so I will split it vertically. So now I will type if config, and you can see here mine is WLANO mode. So as you can see this IP. So first we have to copy the 12 digits. So I will copy it. I'm going to paste it here. So we have to replace this dash with colon. So we'll do it. Sorry. So as you can see, I have replaced it with colons, and I will copy. Also, this is my MAC address. So as you can see now, the data is just increased 3000. We need some lakhs of data. So we are using fake authentication progress. So as we are talking IP, we'll close this. So now to get fake authentication, we have to type air replay ng and dash fake AU fake option O and specific A means the network BSS ID. So I will copy and I will paste here, and our MAC address H, and so as we have copied it before, we will paste our MAC address, and we have to type WLAN OMON. So before pressing enter, you have to check this one thing. As you can see here, it is associated with only its network and one more OC something. So now here, check on this AUTH. Now it is nothing. As I will press enter. So as you can see, I did fake authentication with my network and I added myself. So from now it doesn't ignore us. As you can see now, AUTH authentication is open. So now we have to capture an ARP packet and we have to replay it again. So in this case, we are forcing the router to produce more IVs. So if we'll have more IVs, it is very easy for us to crack it. So it's been like 5 minutes, and see here, the data is just 4004. So we need some lakhs of data to crack it. So now to here increase data, I am saying you one command, that is air replay ng dash ARP replay and dash BS means BSS ID, not us. So I have copied it before. I'm gonna paste it. Mine again, I will forget. So now we have to take this BSS ID, we have to copy it and we have to paste it, and I will copy again mine. Close. And now here we have to say our BSS ID dash H, and I will paste mine, and we have to place WLAN O moon. So simple command airplane G ARP replay our BSS ID, their BSS ID and our BSS ID. And so now guys, let's see the data. It is now 4,700 and 4,400. So it is increased some. So as I press enter, let's see how much the data will increase. So here it is just reading the ARP packets. So as you can see, the ARP packets are 1,300, and so it is reading. So it is waiting for one ARP packet. As when the ARP packet will be sent in the air, it will make it replay again and again. So the data will increase very speedily. So let's wait 1 minute for the ARP packet. $5,000 packets. We need just one packet and we can increase the data. So as you can see here, we have captured one ARP packet and it is replaying again. And as you can see, our data is increasing very fastly. And before it was just like 5,000, and now it is just like 20,000. So I will split it. So let's type ls. So as I've told you, I have written the folder name as wep.cap. So it is here, and just you have to wait some minutes. So now data is 25,000. Okay, let's try it now. I will type so see this air crack ng. So this I'm gonna copy this cap file and I will paste it. So as you can see, it is saying us to wait. Please wait. So okay, let's stop that. Let's close this. So let's wait for. So as you can see now, data is just like 31,000 something. So we have to wait till 1 lakh. So let's wait. As now you can see the data is up to 40,000 and we'll wait till 1 lakh and let's check out. And as you can see here, the ARP packets are getting replayed again and again and again, and the loss and the frames are increasing very very rapidly. So let's wait till 1 lakh or we'll try it further. Data reached till 50,000. So it's been 51,000 and I thought let's check out air crack ng and file name. Nope. So let's wait till exact 1 lakh and let's try again. Sorry. Let's wait till 1 lakh. So before the data was increasing very very slowly, and now as you can see the data is increasing very very fast. 70,000, yeah, 70,000. 75,000. 85,000. Wow, 95,000. Just 5,000 packets to go. Wow. We just completed 1 lakh packets. Now I'm gonna stop this. So I'm gonna stop this too. So here I will split terminal and air crack ng and I will paste that. So let's try 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Wow, as you can see, it is saying key found and the key is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, you cannot paste it like that. So first we will copy this key and we'll paste it. So here we have to take out these colons. I kept an easy password, right? So no need to copy, I think. I'll copy this. So first now to connect the Wi-Fi, as you can see I don't have any Wi-Fi connection. I have to stop the airborne ng. So I will type airborne ng stop WLAN o mon. So as you can, so it is asking the password and we know the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let's connect. Whoa, as you can see we have successfully connected to our network. So I'm gonna browse the internet and let's check this. So I'm gonna go to Google. So wow guys, we have successfully cracked the network password that is known as WEP. That's all for now guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next videos.